Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can open console in Google Chrome. Uh, let's see. How can you open console in Google Chrome? All right, let's see. Just take a new tab from here and go to Customize and Control Google Chrome right here, three dots. Okay, click here. Then go to more tools, click on it. Then go to developers tools. And here is your console. Now you can write any code or scripts right here. If I write 11 plus 2 is equal to 13, 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. Thank you very much for watching the video.